Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Life Tips. Today, we're diving into something that affects all of us at some point in life: inner turmoil. Have you ever felt like you're constantly at war with yourself? Like no matter what you do, there's always that voice in your head telling you that you could have done better, made a different choice, or that you're just not enough? Well, you're not alone. We recently conducted a survey with our readers, asking them about their inner world, their struggles, and their personal battles. The results were eye-opening. Over 75% of people responded with one common desire: I just wish I could stop tormenting myself. That's 3 out of 4 people putting their inner struggles at the forefront of their lives. Think about it. How much of our energy is spent replaying past mistakes, overthinking decisions, or criticizing ourselves for not being where we think we should be? This episode is dedicated to breaking free from that torment, learning how to let go of self-judgment, and truly start living. Let's start with a fundamental truth. Self-torment is one of the main reasons people seek therapy. It comes in many forms. Some people feel trapped in relationships they don't know how to leave. I've been married for 20 years, and I know we're not good together, but I don't know how to walk away. Others regret past decisions, moving to a different city, choosing a career that no longer fulfills them, or missing opportunities that can never be reclaimed. There are those who struggle with their self-image, feeling as though they don't look the way they should or don't measure up to societal expectations. And then, there are those who carry the weight of unfulfilled dreams, people who always wanted children but never had them, people who put off their passions only to realize they missed their chance. No matter the reason, the result is the same. We feel like we have failed in some way, and this feeling can become a heavy burden that we carry every single day. So how do we stop tormenting ourselves? The key lies in shifting our focus. Instead of obsessing over what we did wrong or what we should have done differently, we need to recognize one essential truth. Happiness is not the absence of pain. It's the ability to create joy even in the midst of struggle. The more you focus on generating joy, even in difficult circumstances, the less power your torment has over you. It starts to fade into the background. Think about this. Have you ever had a moment where you were completely immersed in something you loved? Maybe it was painting, playing music, helping someone, or simply spending time in nature. In those moments, your worries didn't disappear, but they lost their grip on you. That's because joy and torment cannot coexist at the same intensity. And here's another revelation. Self-torment is not about the past or the future. It's about the present moment, how we are choosing to experience life right now. If we make the conscious decision to engage with life, to focus on what is rather than what could have been, we start to free ourselves. So here's what I want you to do. The next time you catch yourself spiraling into self-criticism, stop, breathe, and ask yourself, what can I do right now to create a moment of joy? Even if it's something small: listening to music, calling a friend, going for a walk, expressing gratitude. It will shift your energy, and that's where real transformation begins. Remember, you don't have to fix everything all at once. You just have to start choosing joy, one moment at a time. If this message resonates with you, let me know in the comments. What is one thing you do to bring yourself joy, even in difficult moments? And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Life Tips and join our community on Telegram. Together, we're building a space for growth, healing, and transformation. Your life is happening now. Don't let self-torment steal another moment of it. See you in the next video.